Hey guys, welcome to Veronica's Adventures. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Zombies for Dawn of the Vampires, Addison Wells. Here she is in her box, and let's take a look at the back. It says Disney Zombies for Dawn of the Vampires, Addison Wells, and it says there's more than meets the eye with this empathetic and out of this world cheerleader. As you see, it says Mattel, and it shows Mickey Mouse ears. So without further ado, let's get it open. Addison Wells out of her box, and but first, before we review Addison, she has on this. Let's review what she came with. She has this like band. I think it's supposed to be like a belt or a bracelet or a necklace. I don't know. And she came with this cool backpack. It's purplish pink, and it kind of has like a checkered pattern on it. And it has like these two tie strings on it and a buckle. And now let's take a look at Addison. Here's Addison. She's looking really pretty. Her hair is blonde with some blue streaks in it. So cool. And she has some dark makeup. She has on this gray necklace. Also gray earrings, as you can see. And she has on this gray and red shirt with, like, as you can see, she has red sleeves, and she's wearing this like vest, coat, jacket, hoodie thing. And her shirt has like these blue patterns that are metallic. And now let's take a look at her pants. Looks like she's wearing sweatpants that sort of look like cargo pants, because like she has these pockets here, and she also has the pockets right here. She has this little ribbon to tie, and it's blue, and it sort of looks like it has like electrical features on it. Pretty cool. And her shoes are metallic blue, which is pretty cool. And also she has on this silver bracelet, and here's what's pretty cool. She has articulation too, so you could bend her arms. And her legs. See that? Been Addison Wells. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!